What's up, guys? NitroJohn back with another WWE action figure review. Today we're going to be reviewing the Adam Cole Fan Takeover Elite for you guys. So yeah, be sure to like the video and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos in the future. And yeah. So look at this packaging. You could see that it is special packaging for the Fan Takeover Elite line. You can see you got the Elite Collection logo right there. And it has like some blue on it, and it says Fan Takeover right there, Adam Cole, and then you got the figure right there. On the side you have an image of Adam Cole right there. On the back it says voted by fans, for fans. You could vote WWE.com whenever there's more polls in the future. You could see all of the gears that you could vote for. You could see that NXT March 20th, 2019 won at 36.3%. NXT Takeover New York was 30.2%. And NXT Takeover War Games 2018, which is a gear we should have gotten, was at 33.5%. This gear is much better. I would have really wanted this to win. I don't know why they didn't vote for this, but hopefully we get that in the near future, maybe in like the Elite line. And then on the bottom you can see people in the set are of course the Adam Cole figure, Seth Rollins, which we have right here, Seth Rollins, Shayna Baszler, and Ricky the Dragon Steamboat. I only have the Seth Rollins and obviously now the Adam Cole, so yeah. On the side you have Adam Cole right there. So I'm gonna get this figure out of the packaging and then review it for you guys, so yeah. So for this Adam Cole accessories, he comes with the Undisputed Era hands right there, so you can see Undisputed Era hands. They don't really when you put them on the figure, they can't like cross because he only has single jointed elbows, so that doesn't work really. He also comes with the NXT Championship. What I don't like is whenever I like bend the strap on this, it always like breaks like that. I have one more NXT Championship that came with the figure. I forgot which one it came with, but I think it was the Andrade NXT figure Elite. But it's the same thing. It doesn't like it has that thing. So I kind of wanted to see Mattel remaster this accessory because it always happens when I just bend it and try to like put it around the figure's waist. So yeah, and then he also comes with mic holding hands. He comes with mic holding hands right here. You can see mic holding hands. So that's cool to see. Does not come with fist, but he comes with these like entrance hands right there. Also, like when he puts his hands up, and then he's like Adam Cole baby. So that's cool to see. And then he also comes with this gold baby gold sleeveless shirt right there. It is molded in rubber, so it's not like cloth. But I mean, it is a sleeveless tee, so I mean, I guess it's okay. But that's cool. I just left it on the figure because I don't want to take it off and then re-put it on the figure. So yeah, and then he also comes with this Undisputed Era armband, if you want to count that as an accessory. Yeah, but I'm gonna take off this vest and I'm gonna show you guys the action figure. First, I'm just gonna take off the armband so I could get it off. Let me just take this off. There. The other Adam Cole figure that I have is the Epic Moments 3-pack with Kyle O'Reilly and Bobby Fish. But yeah, so getting into the head sculpt, you guys can see it is a very good head sculpt, guys. You can see it is like a smiling face, so yeah, it is a smiling face. I mean, I like it. I definitely see the likeness to Adam Cole. I think it's good. And yeah, so it's a smiling or laughing head sculpt. You can see he has the Daniel Bryan torso. It's an alright torso. Maybe a different torso would be better, but yeah. You can see he has his forearm tattoo right there. right there, you can see that. And he has the white wrist tape. And then getting into the trunks design, you can see it says AC right there for Adam Cole, Undisputed Era logo right there. And then on the back it says Bebe with white, red, and yellow. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And then yellow on like the sides right there. Very cool gear. I would like to see a War Games Adam Cole figure in the future. That would be really cool. You can see he has the larger knee pads right there, and then on the boots it has the Undisputed Era logo right there on both sides. So that's very cool. And that's basically it for the Adam Cole figure. Not too much going on with it. I do like the figure. I think that it's very cool. What do you guys think about the Undisputed Era breakup between Kyle O'Reilly, Bobby Fish, or Kyle O'Reilly and Adam Cole, and kind of Roderick Strong? They're kind of done, but Bobby Fish hasn't been on TV, so we don't know what's happening with him. But yeah. Also, if you guys want to see what this armband looks like on the figure without the t-shirt on, that's how it looks right there. So that's cool. And yeah, that's it for the Adam Cole Elite figure. Let's get into the Adam Cole Elite figure comparisons. So for the Elite figure comparisons, first off, I want to show you him next to the other person in the set, Seth Rollins, one of the others in the set. So that's the Seth Rollins fan takeover figure next to the Adam Cole. So here is the Undisputed Era figures. Right there, you can see you have all the War Games gears except for the Adam Cole figure right there doing their entrance right there. So that's pretty cool. Hopefully Mattel decides to give us a Adam Cole in the main Elite line or something. That'd be very cool to see. And yeah, so thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.